welcome back to another video on Android development. In this video we will see how we can add the menu item on the navigation view. So for this we need to create the menu items. So right click on the resource file, new Android resource file, and select the menu for navigation view. And select the menu and click on the OK. Now here you need to add the items. So for items you need to add the icons in our driver folder. So for this you need to add the vector. So new vector asset. So let's say I change it into white. Okay, now this is our first icon. Click on next and finish. Now again add the icon. So vector asset, click on this and select any other icon. Let's say I select this one and change the name, let's say second, and then click on next, click on finish. Okay, now here add the item and title, let's say home, and ID, let's say home, and icon, let's say add driver, the first, and that's it. Now copy this item and paste 2 to 3 times and change the name, let's say contact and icon into second, and change this one into home 2 and change the ID to home 2, and similarly for this one is setting. Okay, now add this menu to navigation view. So go to the main activity and here you need to add the menu. So type here menu and add the menu. That's it. Now test the application. Okay, now our application is successfully running. So swipe from left to right. You can see our items are successfully showing on the navigation view. So in the next video we will see how we can add the click listener on these items. So see you in next video. Take care. Bye.